Alright, today we are going back to sharpening, and I'm going to be sharpening a little parting tool. This is a little diamond parting tool, but the flat parting tools, the thin parting tools work the same. The basic idea is you cup it in the rest, and you line it up so it's lined up perfectly right here with the grinder, and you just grinder and touch it. Zzz, zzz. With the jig, it just holds it nice and straight, and you get a good sharp edge on the side and the tip. So stick around. Alright, and now to sharpen a parting tool. It's got the curve of the grinder, so you basically just do the same thing. Line it up so it's touching. You put some Sharpie on it to check it. But basically just like that. Inside this arm. Touch it on the wheel. Flip it over. Touch it on the wheel. So now you've got sharp cuttable edge right here and a tip. So just that quick. This is a pretty versatile sharpening system. Big sharpening bowl gouges, sharpening skews, sharpening scrapers, sharpening parting tools. So make sure and check all those videos out. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, tell your dog.